Hi everyone, let's make this beautiful white rose flower using garlic husk. So we're going to remove the husk like this and make many pieces. After this we're going to bend all of them like we're doing here. Cut it, give it shape and make a beautiful petal like this. After this we're going to make all these small sizes and tie a knot using thread. Similar way we're going to put all of them around this green stick one after another like this and make a beautiful white color of rose. And look at the beautiful flower. Nobody can tell this is made up of garlic husk. Paste leaves around it using floral tape and look, your beautiful flower is ready. We're going to make beautiful flowers using onion peel. So cut all of them and make beautiful petals. Now we are going to make a small yellow flower. After this, we are going to paste it on the top of this green stick. Now paste all the onion peel around it one after another and your beautiful flower is ready. Cover it using floral tape. You can also paste leaves on the top and look, it's ready. Look at these beautiful flowers. We're going to make it using corn husk. So collect some corn husk, twist it and we're going to tie it like this using a thread and make beautiful flower petals. You can also use a rubber band in place of this. Now we are going to cover it like this. Paste more petals around it and make a beautiful flower. Put a green stick, cover it like we're doing here. You can also cover it using floral tape and look, your flowers are ready. We all have onion at home, so let's make flowers out of it. We're going to peel out the onion skin like this. Now make petals. Similar way we're going to fold these green sticks together and paste the petals around the flower one after another and cover it using floral tape like we're doing here. And look, your beautiful flower is ready. You can use it at home for decoration. Let's make flowers using these dry sticks. For that we are going to first make the petal of the flower. So cut the petal and dab the sticks on this beautiful glitter. Similar way we are going to cover the entire flower using petals one after another like this. And look, your flower is ready. Cover it using floral tape. Similar way we are going to cut the leaves and combine all of them together and look, your beautiful flower is ready. Make more such flower sticks. Thank you so much for watching this video.